APM tools, many of which have rebranded themselves as observability tools, are often looking to capture the root cause of a problem. Not all cases, but many times, they're looking at helping the administrator, helping the developer sometimes, figure out why we're having a problem and get to the root cause, as they say, of that problem. Many of these APM tools use AI and machine learning to help in that as well. They're used traditionally in IT operations, but more and more we've seen them cross the line or shift left, if you will, into the DevOps organization, where they're coming up with guidelines for performance, availability, and their expectations before the applications are deployed. But they don't look at that fourth dimension of observability, the temporal dimension, change awareness. And the add that Evolven brings to those tools is we can take the intelligence they've gathered about logs, metrics, traces, distributed traces, et cetera, and we can add that extra temporal dimension of change to that. This can be a way of explaining the cause, if you will, of the root cause. So the APM tool has told us this is why we're having an outage. We can answer the next question of, well, did it work before? And if so, why isn't it working now? And APM tools typically don't address that aspect. I refer to it as temporal because it's time. It worked before, doesn't work now. Something had to have changed. What is that? So unless you're capturing what changes that were made, authorized, unauthorized, ad hoc, et cetera, you can't really explain or give an answer to the question of why did it used to work and it doesn't now. So think of it as an additive solution. Evolven adds to the value of an APM tool, and we're all smarter together when we do that.